In this series, we're cooking with Lynda. We're trying recipes she learned on her travels. Lynda is resourceful, so we know that the ingredients will be cheap and the recipes easy to make. What are you cooking?
Pierogis.
Is it a Canadian dish?
Nah, it's Russian, Polish, Ukrainian.
And where's the recipe from?
It comes from my Filipino-Canadian friend that lives in Cambodia.
What did you put in the filling?
Potatoes, ricotta cheese, feta cheese, any salty cheese actually.
Very good. What's the secret ingredient?
Well, keep your water after you boil your potatoes.
Very good. So how do you make the dough?
So it's only flour, water, a little bit of salt, and if you don't have an egg, you can put butter instead.
And how long do you have to wait before you can use the dough?
30 minutes is fine, just 30 minutes.
Ooh, and what are you drinking?
That's plum wine. It's Japanese and it's actually my favorite drink. It's quite good.
And how do you make the pierogis?
So I divided my dough into 4 pieces. I'm going to roll this and then I'm going to use this glass to make perfect circles and fill it with the potato cheese mix.
And what are you cooking with it?
So you can eat it just like that, boiled, if you're healthy. But I personally like it fried with bacon. Yeah.
Can't wait to eat it.